What is up, guys? I am in the truck, currently headed out to get some E85, top this thing off, and we are headed after that to go get this thing tuned again. So hopefully you guys can hear me. I know it's kind of loud in here, not as loud as it used to be at least. But yeah, we just gotta go pump this thing full of E85, and then we'll be up at the dyno, getting it strapped down, and getting this thing retuned, turning it up just a little bit. So I'll get back with you guys while we are probably at the gas station real quick, and then after that we'll be at the dyno and we'll be getting this thing all situated. We're on the highway, headed over. There's currently a little snow flurry coming down. Hopefully it just goes away, but probably about 30 minutes away from the dyno, and I definitely need it because I'm running like 11 AFR on the highway. So get this thing tuned, find out how much power it's making. Hopefully it'll cruise a little nicer.
Startup after we tail dialed it.
Gotcha. Yeah, I just left everything where it was for regular gas because I didn't want to change it.
Wow.
Yeah. I have a different laptop every time I bring something in too. This is your old laptop.
The ignition map is where we left it last time, right?
Yeah, I added a little bit down, like the low cruising portion, but everything else is the same.
Okay.
So that should be pretty close. I got an oil pressure gauge, so if we throw something, you'll know.
Let's try not to.
It should be at like 5 or 6 pounds of boost. I turned it down as low as I could. I'm running the boost line off the turbo because I kept getting boost creep with it on the manifold. What did it do for peak?
218, but I don't think the torque is right. I'll tell you for sure in a second.
329. Well, it made 285 last time.
It might be right.
That's a lot of fucking... It made 329 torque. If it's right. We're breaking something today. That's mental.
It made 329.
It made 285 last time.
Jesus. What year is this truck again?
92.
Before this one was maxed at 6.6, and it was holding around 5 psi.
5.
So let's see. The pull we just did maxed at 7.8, and it was holding around 6 pounds.
Okay. So about 1 pound per turn.
About 1 pound.
I'll go give it one more turn. I want to try to get it to be holding around between 7 and 8. and see.
What's your goal?
I want it to be somewhere between 250 and 3, so we're kind of there already. Yeah.
And torque for a V6, man, that's good. That's good torque.
That's scary. That's why my tires spin is so bad.
Yeah.
Hopefully. I mean, I can pull more timing out of it down low too. If you want to manage torque, I can pull like 2 degrees when peak torque hits. But let's see what it does with adding timing up top.
Yeah. Sounds so cool from up here. They like it or hate it.
Stay the same.
Same boost?
Yeah. Power is pretty much identical. Maybe 255, 48. It did more boost at peak. At peak it's 9.9. But then it tapers off and it's still only going around 7 pounds.
I wonder if it's maxed out.
It might be. The problem is I don't want to keep throwing more boost at, it's hitting like 12, 14 pounds.
Yeah.
Trying to hold 8 or 9.
If it made the same, I might just go back and turn it back to where it was and
Yeah, we can do that. You go back a half a click and I can put the timing back in down low.
yeah.
You can just
That way it'll get rid of that spike too. It's probably just can't do anymore. First test drive. We can do a little pull after the tracks, but the big pulls we do, we swing a left on them or something, I think. But AFRs are actually good when cruising. Yeah, there's the road right there. I'm actually a little bit scared of it, to be honest. It's sharp rough. Oh, never mind. They're not as bad as I remember. Okay. Ready? Nope. I like this truck. Jesus. That's a little bit faster than before. This is the axle hop. Alright, dyno session is over. I'm on the drive back home right now. Everything went smoothly, no mechanical issues whatsoever. So, excuse me. We did max out the turbo. I think it wouldn't do anything more than 250 wheel. We made, max was 255 and torque was at 352 or 355. So 250 horsepower, 350 torque. I'm pretty happy with that. That is way more than I expected. I don't really want this thing to make any more torque than that because it's more than likely going to bend a rod or blow something up. But this is where it's going to be for a little while. This truck needs a lot of suspension work and some other little things done to it. So I'm going to work on that and see if I can get it to put its power down better, see if I can get it to handle a little better, drive a little nicer. But yeah, that is an intense amount of horsepower for a completely stock engine. There is nothing internally done to this thing whatsoever other than some Harley Sharp roller rocker arms. So that's crazy. Yeah, that's going to be the end of the video, guys. I hope you have enjoyed. I'm going to put a screen grab of the dyno graph at the very end of the video so you guys can check that out for yourself. And yeah, that's going to be it. Thank you guys very much for watching, and I can't wait to see you all in the next one.